Ever packed your bags, feeling like a travel pro, only to find your shampoo has taken over your suitcase? Yeah, me too. It's a travel nightmare. But there are super simple ways to avoid these issues. Welcome to Traveler's Toolkit. I'm Alexi. Here we share no-fluff advice and gear insights. Stick around for 10 insane travel hacks you need to know. Hit like, share, and subscribe for more. Let's get into it. Okay, first up, this one is a game changer. We've all been there, right? You meticulously pack your toiletries, maybe even put them in a separate bag like a responsible adult. Then, cabin pressure or just the general chaos of travel does its thing. You open your bag and it's a Jackson Pollock painting of toothpaste, lotion, and that fancy conditioner you splurged on. But what if I told you the solution costs pennies and takes about 10 seconds per bottle? Enter the humble saran wrap, or any plastic cling film, really. You take your bottle of shampoo, your conditioner, your face wash, whatever liquid gold you're transporting, and you unscrew the cap. Just pop it right off. Now here's the magic. You take a small square of that plastic wrap, doesn't have to be perfect, just big enough to cover the opening. Lay it flat over the mouth of the bottle. Then you screw the cap back on, right over the plastic wrap. The plastic creates an extra barrier, a seal that's way more robust than just the cap itself. The beauty of this is its simplicity and effectiveness. No more anxiously opening your suitcase, bracing for the worst. So next time you're packing, grab that roll of cling film. It's not just for leftovers anymore, it's your first line of defense against the dreaded toiletry explosion. Alright, let's talk security. I'm talking about your personal belongings, your backpack, your day bag, the stuff you carry with you through crowded streets, busy markets, or packed subways. These are prime hunting grounds for pickpockets. You're distracted by the sights, the sounds, the smells of a new place, and that's exactly when those sneaky fingers can try to make a move. Now, you could invest in expensive anti-theft bags with complicated locking mechanisms, and some of those are great, don't get me wrong, but sometimes you need a quick, simple, and virtually free solution. I give you the humble hair clip. Yeah, you heard me, a bobby pin, a small metal snap clip, whatever you've got. This tiny little thing can be a surprisingly effective deterrent. It's all about making things just a little bit harder for the opportunistic thief. You take your two zipper pulls, bring them together, and then thread the hair clip through both loops. It's not a vault, but it does a couple of crucial things. It stops a thief from silently and easily sliding open your zipper and creates a moment of hesitation. Your bag, with its slightly more annoying to open zippers, suddenly becomes less appealing than the bag next to it that has nothing. Imagine this, you're out in the wild and you didn't pack a pan, but you've got food and a campfire. A roll of heavy-duty tin foil is your best friend. Shape it into a pan. Cook your food over the fire. Enjoy a hot meal and easy cleanup. Chapter 4. The Paperclip Hook, Your Tiny Hostel Hero. Hostel life. It's an adventure, right? You meet amazing people, save a ton of money, and get to stay in the heart of the action. But let's be real, sometimes the amenities can be basic. One of the common frustrations? Nowhere to hang anything. This is where the mighty paperclip, an unsung hero of the stationery world, steps onto the travel stage. With a few simple bends, this little piece of wire can transform into an incredibly useful hook. You take a standard metal paperclip. The bigger ones work a bit better as they're sturdier and offer more hooking potential. You then unbend one end of it, straightening it out partially, and then bending the tip into a hook shape. The other end, the part that's still looped, can then be slipped over the edge of a bunk bed frame, a shelf, a locker vent, or even a curtain rod. Instant hanging space. It's a small, lightweight thing to pack, but the utility they provide in certain situations is massive. Chapter 5. Dryer sheet, bug repellent, fresh scents, and fewer bites. Okay, let's talk about two things that can really impact your travel comfort: musty luggage and annoying bugs. You arrive somewhere exotic, ready for adventure, but your clothes smell like they've been stored in a forgotten attic. Or you're trying to enjoy a beautiful sunset, and you're being eaten alive by mosquitoes. But what if a single, simple item could help tackle both of these problems? I'm talking about dryer sheets. For travelers, they can be a surprisingly effective multi-purpose tool. First off, let's address the luggage freshness. Tucking a dryer sheet or two into your suitcase before you pack can make a world of difference. As your bag sits in transit, or even just in your hotel room, the gentle fragrance permeates your clothes. Instead of that stale, packed-away smell, your clothes retain a hint of freshness. But here's where it gets really interesting: bug repellent. Many people swear by dryer sheets as a way to ward off certain types of insects, particularly mosquitoes and gnats. You can tuck a dryer sheet into your pocket, your hatband, or even rub it lightly on exposed skin. It's a gentler, less chemical-heavy approach that many people appreciate. Chapter 6 Duct Tape Bandage, the ultimate roadside repair kit. Alright, let's be honest, travel isn't always smooth sailing, sometimes minor injuries happen. A blister from all that walking, a small cut from an unexpected sharp edge, a scrape from a little tumble. You don't always have a fully stocked first aid kit on you, especially if you're trying to pack light. But what if you had a super compact, incredibly versatile solution for these little emergencies? Enter the hero of 1,000 uses duct tape. The hack here is to create a portable, mini supply of duct tape that can double as an emergency bandage, among other things. How? By wrapping a length of it around a pencil, a pen, or even a sturdy straw. You get a compact, easy-to-carry stash of this miracle adhesive without the bulk. Got a blister forming on your heel? Cut a small piece of duct tape, maybe with a tiny bit of tissue or fabric underneath if you have it for padding, and slap it on. It's tough, it's waterproof, and it stays put way better than many traditional bandages, especially in active situations. For small cuts or scrapes, if you don't have an actual bandage, a piece of duct tape can seal it off from dirt and germs in a pinch. And the uses don't stop there. Ripped backpack strap, duct tape. Chapter 7. The Sock Goggle Case. Genius eyewear, protection on a budget. Sunglasses, essential for travel, right? Whether you're hitting the beach, exploring a sunny city, or just trying to look cool while people watching at a cafe. But they're also incredibly easy to scratch or break. Those fancy hard cases they come with? They're bulky, they take up precious space in your bag, and let's be honest, sometimes we just forget them, or can't be bothered. So your expensive shades end up tossed in your backpack or purse, rattling around with keys, coins, and who knows what else. The result? Scratched lenses, bent frames, a general sense of disappointment that your stylish eyewear now looks like it's been in a fight with a badger. But fear not, because the solution might just be on your feet. Or, well, a spare one, hopefully clean. I'm talking about using a sock, yes, a humble sock, as a makeshift, surprisingly effective case for your sunglasses or even your regular glasses. It's brilliantly simple and incredibly practical. You just slip your sunglasses into the sock, lens first, and voila, instant soft case. Chapter 8. Lemon Deodorant Nature's Zesty Freshness Hack. This might sound fruity, but using a lemon as a natural deodorant is effective and cheap. Lemons contain citric acid, which kills odor-causing bacteria. Rub a lemon slice under your arms after showering. Enjoy the fresh, zesty scent. Chapter 9. The Bread Bag Raincoat Emergency Poncho. Power. Weather. The one travel variable you absolutely cannot control. You can check the forecast 100 times, pack accordingly, and still get caught in an unexpected downpour. And there's nothing quite like being soaked to the bone when you're miles from your hotel or shelter. Sure, you could carry a proper raincoat or umbrella, but sometimes you're traveling light, or it just wasn't on your radar. So what do you do when the skies open up and you're caught unprepared? You could huddle under an awning, make a mad dash, or you could get creative with something you might find in a convenience store or even your own snack stash. I'm talking about the humble bread bag, or any large plastic bag, really, like a garbage bag, a clean one preferably. With a few quick modifications, this can become an emergency, albeit not very stylish, poncho. You take your large plastic bag. If it's a bread bag, it's already got one end open. If it's a garbage bag, you might need to create an opening for your head. Then, you carefully poke or tear 2 holes for your arms near the top corners of the closed end. Slip it over your head, pop your arms through the holes, and you've got a waterproof barrier against the elements. Chapter 10. Pen Spring Cable Protector. Save your chargers from an early grave. Charger cables. We live and die by them on the road, right? Phone, camera, laptop, tablet, everything needs juice. But these essential lifelines have a notorious weak spot, the point where the cable meets the connector. That little junction gets bent, twisted, and stressed every single time you plug and unplug. I'm talking about the spring from inside a retractable ballpoint pen. Then, you start winding it around the end of your charger cable. The spring acts as a strain relief. Outrow go forth and hack your travels. Here are some practical travel hacks to upgrade your adventures. From keeping your toiletries contained with saran wrap and your zippers secure with a hair clip, to cooking with tin foil and using a lemon as emergency deodorant. Protect your sunglasses with a sock and reinforce charger cables with a pen spring. Simple solutions for common travel headaches. Share your travel hacks in the comments below. Hit like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. Pack smart, stay curious, and embrace the adventure. Go explore.